in Tennessee was places like this where you got the kind of a town square. We're in the city of Lebanon right now, and this is kind of like an old town look. I love it. I love the feel. I love everything about it. There's the center of the little traffic circle, all the business around here. Do you remember I came down here and I reviewed the butcher block in Lebanon? It's a butcher shop. That's where I got some lamb. There's a bunch of stuff, little cool shops here. You kind of spend the day down here. And I'm kind of curious what's in that Gimme a Book bookstore, Book and Media, for only $1. What if some used cookbooks in there? We'll have to check that out too. But Tammy's going in right now to get us a table, and we'll take you inside in a moment. Jeanette and Steven are going to be joining us here soon, so we're going to have some company, and we'll start reviewing their food. Okay, we're outside waiting for a table. Jeanette said last time she was here, it was about a 30-minute wait for a table, so send somebody ahead. Just get here early if you're going to try this place out. But let me show you what it's called, okay? So Gimme a Book is part of the restaurants, people sitting in there. They must have expanded it. This is called the Town Square Social Restaurant and Bar. Tammy got a buzzer. We're gonna wait for our table, wait for our guests. Everything's coming together nicely. Cheese bings, fried cheddar and pepper jack cheese. Let's go with that. Wanna go with that? We'll get cheese bings and we'll get the jumbo smoked wings. Yeah. That's a lot for how many you ate for $12.50. But they're jumbo, so we'll see. Salads and wraps. Let me just go slow and show you everything. They're a little bit on the high end, but by what's going on in the world today, we really can't. I'm interested. That chopped chef salad looks interesting. Club wrap looks interesting. Blackened chicken wrap. That looks even better. Smoked chicken wrap. Okay, some of these things sound really good. They get a great menu. All right, fresh burgers. A double dog dare, 1 pound of meat. All right, Humpty Dumpty. Bacon and pepper, pulled pork and cheddar cheese served with barbecue sauce. I'm sure I paid $14 for pulled pork, but maybe it's pulled pork on a burger. Then it was smoked chicken sandwich, pepper and pulled pork, fried bologna. Oh, amen to that. That's totally American. Texas toast and American cheese. Can't get any more American than that. Fried bologna on Texas toast and American cheese. Chili cheese dog. A little on the pricey side. I'm sure everybody is nowadays, but I've never paid $9 for a hot dog. Not even in the ballpark if I paid $9 for a hot Italian. That sounds amazing. Okay, I'm looking over there. It looks like they're doing wood fire pizza. That's the oven right there. That is a big monster. Beautiful. So what are these called? Cheese bings?
Yes.
What is that, mustard and ketchup?
I think that's honey mustard, marinara.
Honey mustard,
We did
marinara.
last time because they have fried cheddar and jack.
Yeah, they have different cheeses. That's not just one cheese.
That's really cool.
And then they told me the dry rub wings. That looks amazing, by the way. They look like they're seasoned very well. Got a little bit of celery. All right, so we got Tammy trying the what is it?
Whatever
It's
the
cheese bang.
things.
What are you dipping it in?
I'm gonna do marinara because it's safe.
Marinara? Okay. Is marinara warm? It is? That is, guys, that is a huge plus. I can't explain, when you serve marinara as an appetizer, you have to have it warm. Very good. So, we're going to try the wings right now and see. Okay, they are pretty big. All right. I can see where they call them jumbo. They're not like turkey, like the monster ones I did on the show, but these are nice size. So we're gonna try this out. The dry rub was highly recommended by the food server. So she said that was really good. Here we go. She made a good call. That's really good. Okay, guys, we got the social. I think it's called the social pizza.
Social pie.
Social pie. I'm sorry. Tammy's always there to correct me. Look at that little puddle of some grease on pepperoni. I love that. It's gonna be delicious. Got banana peppers.
Does that have any sauce?
Great job. You gotta put red pepper on it. Oh yeah. Lots of red pepper. All right, here we go. Ready? Okay, I'll let you know outside. I just took the biggest one of Tammy's onion rings. Are these beef beer batter or not? We don't know. Well, I'll find out in a minute.
I would assume in a bar this week.
I think they are. Wow. All right, we got the blackened chicken wrap, and it looks a little shy on the chicken part. And you can see right there, a lot of lettuce, a little bit of chicken. All right, let's give it a try. All right, guys, this place is considered a bar, but I have yet to eat food at a bar. Bar food's like some of the best food from here to New York. It's unbelievable. So this place was unbelievable. The onion rings taste like there was beer batter. I didn't ask, but they're really good. The wrap is definitely good. There was plenty of chicken in my wrap. What else? The pizza, out of this world. Wood fire, love it. Everything they did that they served us was really good. And those cheese appetizers, the little cheese bits, whatever they're called, it was different cheeses. Like one piece of cheese would be pepper jack, and another one would be like cheddar. It was all mixed up. It was good. So definitely, prices were a little pricey.
But it's bar pricey.
It's bar pricey. So it's about $1 or $2 more than I expected. $14 pulled pork sandwich. That's a little high. The pizzas I get, but so it justifies. It's a bar restaurant. So anyway, we give this place. I'll give it an A because they did great. I would give them an A plus if it was more reasonable pricing, but I'm not holding that against them. The quality. Once again, you get what you pay for. All right? So the quality was there. Great job, you guys. What was the name of this place again? I totally forgot.
Town Square Social.
Town Square Social. I ordered the social pizza.
And they now have a huge wait, so
They now have a huge wait, so we got to go. Everybody wants our spot. I love you guys. See you on the next episode. Show them some love. It's right on the traffic circle in Lebanon. You can't miss it. Have a good time.